What's up, fam? It's J Lobos coming back to another episode. And again, you guys continue to have the questions, and I have here Matt Barket from Real Mortgage Solutions to give you those answers. And what I wanted to go ahead and talk about today, Matt, is about buying a condo. Obviously, we have a lot of young fellas out there, a lot of young ladies out there, maybe venturing in, trying to make the first purchase. But obviously, the market's a little bit up and down. It's kind of expensive. And again, too, we've spoken about, there's certain myths regarding purchasing a condo versus a home. And guys, for you guys out there checking out the channel for the first time, consider liking, subscribing, comment, and share if you find this to be fruitful. So Matt, again, thank you so much, obviously, for being on the channel.
Thank you.
And let's go ahead and dive into the video. I know we were having a little conversation regarding buying a condo, and there's myths out there. You know, is it more difficult to buy a condo versus a single family home?
It's not more difficult. The one thing that there is one extra step that's involved in regards to purchasing a condo versus purchasing a single family home is that we have to get the association approved. So how do you do that? Yeah. Basically, what we do is we have to send out a questionnaire to the bank, and there's two different scenarios. It's called full review, limited review. So to make long story short, it's either if you're putting down 25% or less than, or greater than 25% or less than 25%. So obviously if you're putting down more than 25%, there's a lot less restrictions when it comes to it. And when you're putting down more than 25, or when you're putting down 25% or greater, there's less restrictions. When you're putting down 25% or lower, there's a little bit more restrictions.
Got you. Now let me ask you a question too, because again too, we always talk about those type of special programs and loans. Is there any kind of special programs like, you know, first-time home buyer for people who are looking to buy condos versus people who are looking to buy single-family properties?
Yeah, I mean, you could still do 3% down on a condo. When it comes to purchasing a condo, we always want to go with a conventional loan, so we can go as low as 3%. The one good thing is in regards to what I was previously talking about with the condos getting, the associations getting approved, the banks I work with keep records of what condos have been approved and which ones have been denied for specific reasons. So if you are looking to buy a condo for the minimum down, instead of having to try to get some early documentation or pay for anything, we can check the list. If it's already been done for 3 or 5%, we can go ahead and move forward with your loan on that as well.
Now let me ask you a question. Is it quicker to be able to purchase a condo versus like obviously a single family? Because I know there's like inspections and things like that on a single family. Is there more restrictions when it comes to those type of things or no?
Well, in regards to the condo, the biggest hurdle that you're going to jump on, you know, obviously other than the appraisal, which is as long as the value's there, is going to be as long as the association gets approved. One of the big things that we have to deal with in Miami is that there's a lot of these condos don't have reserves, which if you're putting down less than 25% could be a problem. But we do have a solution for it. As long as you have a minimum 680 credit score and it is a primary or a secondary home, we can do a first and a second. So instead of having to actually come in with 25% or 30%, you can come in with 10% down and get a second financed. So you're not bringing in as much money for both.
So in other words, guys out there, if you guys are obviously interested in purchasing a condo or even a residential property, a second home, or you want a condo as a second or an investment property, there's going to be things in there that you're going to have to go ahead and navigate. Matt Barket obviously has the knowledge and experience with him and his team with Real Mortgage Solutions to be able to navigate through that process, guys. Again, too, Matt, thank you so much, obviously, for being as part of the channel, providing this free information over to our viewers. And I don't know if there's anything else that you might want to possibly, I know you spoke about a little bit about credit scores. What is the lowest credit score possible in order for you to purchase a condo or a residential property right now?
Well, I mean, for conventional loan, it's always going to be 620. But when you are buying a condo, you know, our system does take that into account. Obviously, the higher the better. But again, conventional 620 is the lowest we can go.
There you go, guys. Well, thank you so much for the love and support. And until the next time, thank you so much for being part of the channel.
Thank you.
Till next time, guys.